In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce Authenticator. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can securely and effectively establish your Salesforce Authenticator. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner. This is where you'll find a drop-down menu offering various options related to your personal settings and configurations. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This will direct you to a new page featuring a range of options tailored for personalizing your Salesforce experience. Here, you'll continue by clicking on Advanced User Details. This section holds crucial settings that are pivotal in setting up the Salesforce Authenticator. Once you're in the Advanced User Details section, look for an option labeled App Registration, One-Time Password Authenticator. Clicking on this will prepare your account to connect with an external authenticator app. You'll see a button labeled Connect, which you'll want to click. This action enables the linking process between Salesforce and the authenticator. Before proceeding any further, it's important to check your email for a code. Salesforce will send you this 6-digit verification code, essential to the setup process, as part of verifying your identity. After copying the code from the email, return to your Salesforce settings where you can enter the verification code. This step authenticates your actions and ensures that it's indeed you making these security adjustments. Entering the verification code correctly links the authenticator to your Salesforce account, marking the completion of the setup. With Salesforce Authenticator now configured, you can enjoy an added layer of security, making your data significantly safer and giving you peace of mind. With our guide, setting up Salesforce Authenticator is straightforward, providing you with a robust security measure for protecting your account. As always, remember to keep your verification codes secure and do not share them with anyone to maintain the integrity of your account. If you have questions or encounter any issues, visit the Salesforce Help Center for more detailed technical support and resources. Thanks for joining us in this setup process, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay secure and enjoy all the benefits of Salesforce with confidence.